divide 332 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we put down these 2 and it is 32. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 332 divided by 5 is 66 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.